Assam Cancer Care Foundation organized an orientation program on palliative care here on Monday at Diffu Civil Hospital. Medal winners in the 5th South Asia Karate and Sharjah Open International Championship were felicitated here on Sunday. And 2 mini trucks stealing teak limber is reported to have been apprehended by villagers under Bokajan police station. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Cut News. You are watching the mainstream at 6. I am Sarim Tiso. Now the news in details. Assam Cancer Care Foundation organized an orientation program on palliative care here on Monday at Diffu Civil Hospital. The workshop is aimed to sensitize community health officer, auxiliary nurse and midwife, ASHA workers on palliative care so that they can further assist patient at the community level. That's the report. Assam Care Foundation organized an orientation program on palliative care here on Monday at Diffu Civil Hospital. The workshop is aimed to sensitize the community health officer, auxiliary nurse and midwife, ASHA workers on palliative care so that they can further assist patient at the community level.
Cancer Care Foundation has a orientation
The inaugural program of the 2-day workshop was graced by dignitaries from Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Executive Member for Medical in Charge, Sri Khonsing Rongpi, Principal Secretary Sri Sanjeev Kumar Das, Medical Board Chairman Vidya Singh Teron, and Joint Director of Health Service Dr. Kareng Rongpi P.
Care hormone Mama became Mazano Juju, Tapa Institute Initiative,
Dr. Sangha Mitra emphasized on the importance and need of such workshops and how this would help in identifying patients in remote lands. Sri Khonsing Rongpi, in his speech, encouraged all the participants to sincerely learn and serve the community at micro level and help patients avail the cancer care facilities that is expected to be operational soon in the region. Assam Cancer Care Foundation is a government of Assam and Tata Trust initiative established to create a 3-tier comprehensive cancer care network and provide accessible and affordable care for the denizens.
The dynamic leadership of Sri Tolira Mohan, Cancer Institute অর্থাৎ Assam Care Foundation যেটো টাটা ট্ৰাষ্টৰ লগত যে ইনিচিয়েটিভ লৈ আছে কেঞ্চাৰ হস্পিটেলৰ স্থাপনৰ বাবে ইতিমধ্যে কাউন্সিলৰ পৰা যি সহযোগ বিচাৰিছে আমি তাক দি আছোঁ আৰু আপোনালোকে সকলোৱে গম পায় যে টাটা ট্ৰাষ্টৰ লগত মিলি কাউন্সিলে যোৱাবাৰ আমি ফাউণ্ডেশ্যন ষ্টোন লেইং কৰিছোঁ মেডিকেল কলেজতে আগত কথা আছিলে যে মেডিকেল কলেজতে তাক আটাচ কৰি ৰাখাৰ কথা কিন্তু এতিয়া ডিসিশন এটা বদলিছে যে আমি সিভিল হস্পিটাল যেহেতু মেডিকেল কলেজলৈকে শিফ্ট হৈ যাব আমি ক্যান্সাৰ কেয়াৰ ইনষ্টিটিউট আমি সিভিল হস্পিটালতে পাতাৰ মানে সিদ্ধান্ত লৈছোঁ আৰু মই ভাবোঁ এই অনুষ্ঠানটো প্ৰতিষ্ঠা কৰাৰ পিছত কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ যিমানেই মানে কেঞ্চাৰৰ লগত ভুগি আছে এই ৰোগটোৰ লগত ভুগি আছে বহুজনো সকাহ পাব বুলি আমি ভাবিছোঁ আৰু টাটা ট্ৰাষ্ট আৰু গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট অফ আছাম অট'নমাছ কাউন্সিলৰ পৰা যেতিয়াই সহায় বিচাৰি আমি সদায় তেখেতৰ লগত থিয় দি এই কামটো আমি আগবঢ়াম।
New report, Cut News. Medal winners in the 5th South Asia Karate and Sharjah Open International Karate Championship Ishita Kashyap, Itvik Mazumdar and Ashish Talukdar has been felicitated by United Karate Do Association of Assam, along with the felicitation of Sri Bishnu Ram Nunisha for becoming the Vice President of Olympic Association of Assam. A meeting that took place between the Office Bearer of Assam Olympic Association, Senior Sports Organizer of Assam, Premadha Sharma, Treasurer of Assam Olympic Association, Tapan Kumar Das and CEO Gautam Chaudhary congratulated the players with Gamusha, Japi, bucket and citation as an appreciation towards their achievement. The meeting was presided by the working president of United Karate Do Association, Mrs. Sharmila Deka. The felicitation program was attended by Treasurer of UKDA, Sri Nagin Bongjang. Executive members and technical officials were attended the meeting. Alright, so let's have a little short break here at the mainstream at 6, but lots more coming up on the other side. Do stay with us. Kapachini Fu Medical College along non kewangji phai kuning koira phor ni pen OPD service mate outpatient department service pangcheng ponpo non amat ke la soteng pen super hi paha oga prana satlang mate check up aphan non kewangji phai kuni ni phai koira phor ni pen chelang dam longpo labang so oga prana satlang chelang longjia por lake ada por phai na kepen arnikang sam por phai hinian sia por sik pontang lo kiso ketan pik mate emergency atuma phan non amat ke difu civil hospital along si langpon bom jilang.
Start here, right anywhere. Isan Motors authorized dealer of Royal Enfield, Rongkhelan near Don Bosco School, Dipu, 782460 Assam. Easy finance available here. For more information, contact 700-280-5342 and 8812-805591, or you can mail isanmotorsk@gmail.com. Ganj Shopping Mall is a Gulf of Assam enterprise and the Hill Areas Department. A glorious 1 year now.
Here's everything you need: groceries and household supplies, cosmetics, personal care and skincare essentials, appliances and electronics, stationery, men's and women's clothing along with tribal clothing. Also a huge Durga Puja offer on Swati brand, an offer you cannot refuse. Ganj Shopping Mall, Difu Manja Road, Manja Industrial Complex, 782461, Manja, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Welcome back to the mainstream at 6. 2 mini trucks stealing thick timber is reported to have been apprehended by villagers. This was informed last night at Doraga Tea Plantation and the Bokajan police station. The truck number was identified as AS09AC2270 and AS098893. The villagers said that the man accused of the illegal mining is the coal mafia named Jalal Ahmed.
পাইছোঁ গাড়ীটো এনেকৈ পাৰ হৈ আছে, হ'লেও কোনো গম নাপায় যে কি বস্তু পাই আছে। তো কালি আমি ভাবিলোঁ যে চবেই মিলি চাওঁ কি বস্তু হয়। আমি যেতিয়া চবেই একেলগে কালি ওলালোঁ, আছিলোঁ আমি এনেকৈ 15-16জনমান। তাৰপিছত ৰখালোঁ ইয়াত, ৰখাৰ পিছত আমি চাইছোঁ যে এইটো তাত স্মেলিং হৈ আছে আৰু এইটোতো ৰাতি হৈছে আৰু তাহাঁতি কেলৈকে একবাৰ আহে ৰখে আৰু আগত মানুহ পঠিয়াই ইণ্ডিকেট কৰে যে মানুহটোলে আছে নাই বুলি।
So as soon as the incidents occurred, the Bokajan police rushed on to the spot where this incident was happened. The villagers also said that many people are settling illegally around the area. Later, they urged the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to look into the matter. So that's the wrap of this edition at the mainstream at 6, but lots more coming up on the other side. Do stay with us.